Welcome. It's such a blessing to come to you again. In this video, I want you to declare that it's your miracle day.
Prayer of divine guidance and trust. Close your eyes and listen to my voice. Trust in my words, for these are the words you've been waiting for. The sign you've been asking for. Know that this is your moment, here and now. You've arrived at this place because the universe, God, and divine energies have guided your every step. It is no coincidence that you found this prayer. Stop for a moment. Feel your heartbeat. This is the sign that you are alive, that you have an immense purpose in this world. But what is holding you back? Is it the noise from outside, or the silent echoes of fear and doubt within you? For it is within that silence that your deepest fears and insecurities live. Today, we are here to break the silence and unleash the strength that has been hidden within you. The strength that you haven't yet allowed to fully emerge. From this moment on, open your heart. Feel the energy flow through every word, for the change you have long awaited begins now. You are here because you recognize that within you lies an infinite power. A beautiful source of creation, one you have perhaps not yet used to its fullest potential, until today. Today is the day that everything changes, and you are ready to receive it. Now, hear this message. The universe has something to say to you. I know the trials you're going through, the conflicts that trouble you in both day and night. I know your situation perfectly. I have heard every request, every prayer. Today, I bring you this sign, these words you have been asking for. Trust. Have the certainty that this message is for you. Stop asking for signs. Trust that everything you have asked of me is already yours. There is no need to keep asking. Simply trust in me, and allow me to fulfill my role in your life. Here and now, I make you a promise. At the end of this prayer, I will give you a powerful affirmation, a mantra. Make it your own. Trust in its power and repeat it day and night. These words will unlock your highest creative power. They will allow you to lay down your burdens, fears, and pain and surrender fully to my guidance, so that everything may come to you in the perfect moment that I have planned for you. Everything is happening for your highest good. What you are experiencing today is your preparation. Suffer no more. Fear no more. Everything is already yours. This is my greatest promise, and I am faithful. Now imagine for a moment that everything you have ever wanted is within reach. But to obtain it, you must let go of the barriers you have built around yourself. Are you willing? Are you ready to open your mind, heart, and spirit to receive what the universe, God, and divine energies have prepared for you? Because everything you have asked for is already here. It is not a matter of time. It is a matter of perception. Today, let us strip away the layers of limitations and open ourselves to the truth that has always lived within you. Let us release the power of your mind, your soul, your life. Feel the energy in your veins. From this moment on, everything changes, not because I say so, but because you have decided it so. Repeat after me. Today, I decide to let my life soar. Today, I decide to let my life transform. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.